Hey guys, Sandra here. I'm back with part 3 of the 3-part how to make money online, what you need to make money online. And the first part was about having a business opportunity, part 1. Part 2 was the marketing system, which does the follow-up and the selling and telling for you. It has the autoresponders built in and sends out emails to your prospects. And emails are part of your business too. It really is. The fortune is in the fortune is in the emails, as they say. And now part 3 is, as you can see by the picture, traffic. So on part 3 of how to make money online, you need traffic. Okay, you need to find a way for people to see your site and bring people to your business opportunity, right? So in order to do that, you have to create traffic. You can do that in several ways. By making a video. You can send out emails to your list. If you don't have a list, then you'll make videos. You can do free traffic, paid traffic. There's lots of ways to get traffic to your business. So basically, the third thing that you need for to make money is traffic. All right. It's very important to have traffic to come to your online business. A lot of people think that the traffic is going to come on by itself. It doesn't. You have to create the traffic and get them coming to your business. And that means taking action and taking initiative and treating your business like a business and not a hobby. So, how to make money? You need traffic. Okay, guys? So, that is the third part and part 3 of the video. I was supposed to make it yesterday, but my son was doing his beats, and I let him do his beats. And when I got home from work, and then I got tired, and then I had to cook dinner, and that took a while, and then I got tired. So I said, nope, I'm going to do this right now, as soon as I come home, so that I don't, so that I can get the goals that I had wanted to set out to do done before I get too tired to do it later. So that's what I wanted to do, my one video today of the day, and I did it. So just remember part 1, first thing you need to make money, business opportunity. Second thing is a marketing system. The third thing is traffic. If you don't have any of those things, I'll leave a link below where you can check out what I use. And I'll see you on the next video. Remember, you must hustle. Have a good day.